Hi, my name's Troy, and I'm Product Manager for Utility Solutions at IQGeo. Before I came to IQGeo, I started my career within distribution, reliability, and smart grid engineering at Florida Power & Light. During my experience, I've watched challenging patterns continue within the industry, from difficulty in modeling new grid assets, delays and inaccuracies in network data, to dealing with too many screens and tedious legacy software. That's why I came to IQGeo. Our groundbreaking adaptive grid solution is something I'd never seen before for electric utilities. It enables easy digitalization of any grid scenario, streamlines data accuracy by providing the same powerful tools to both the back office and field users, and accelerates digital transformation across the entire network lifecycle. The best part? No need to replace your GIS or other legacy systems. Adaptive Grid is the modern, flexible network model management solution utility professionals like me have been waiting for. We'd love to hear what you think.